Well, hello there, how are you? Hey, in a previous video, I hooked up the Rode VideoMicro to my GoPro Hero 8, and we're going to test the audio now. So we'll see the two differences between the microphone hooked up and just the regular microphones which surround the GoPro Hero 8. And we'll do a comparison. So right now, you're listening to the Rode VideoMicro hooked up to a GoPro Hero 8 Black. This is my voice talking through the microphone. Now this is my voice talking to the GoPro without the microphone plugged in. So these are the microphones that are on the GoPro. You can probably hear more of the room. There's more of an open, airy sound, probably. Let's listen. The sound of the furnace, maybe the computer in the background. So now we'll plug the microphone back in. Okay, now this is the Rode plugged back in. So you probably can hear more of me directly, and let's see if we can hear the background noises. The furnace is still on. Can you hear the computer? The noise of the room. I'll clap my hands. So what do you think? Figured I'd do that for you so you can listen to the difference. Let's unplug it again. So this is the sound of the microphone not plugged in. This is just the GoPro Hero 8 microphone. So hello, 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 hello. Okay, so now we're here in the shop, and this is about 6 feet away, and the microphone is not plugged in. So you can probably hear everything in here. Let's listen. Can you hear that clock on the wall? That's probably about 20 feet away. Listen for the clock. Now we're going to plug in the Rode VideoMicro to see how that sounds from 6 feet away. Hello, 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 hello. 6 feet away, the Rode VideoMicro is plugged in. Let's listen to the sound of my voice, and then let's see if we can hear that clock again in the background, which is about 20 feet away. Here we go, let's listen. So now it's not plugged in. What do you think? Kind of good both ways. Depends what you need. I need to add to the video that I messed with the video's levels. When the GoPro Hero 8 was just using its microphones, it was much louder. So that would probably have blown your speakers out when you were listening at high volumes. But I would say I'm going to stick with the Rode VideoMicro when you do one-on-one conversations like this, when you're this close. So that's my conclusion, and hope you got some use out of this video. If you did, click the like button below and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you soon.